Hey guys, how's it going? We are at Cunningham Park, specifically at the nature preserve. Most people don't know that the Cunningham Park has a nature preserve. Time now is almost 11 a.m. Today is Saturday, November 13th, and the temperature is 60. So it feels good. It feels good, guys. Yeah. So my display at the back is winking in and out, guys, so hopefully you guys can see something. Let me see. Yep. So we're coming up to a staircase. And it splits. One goes left, one goes right. So you see it splits over here. And then it splits over this way, guys. So this thing with the display, oh my god, with the display winking in and out, it's kind of annoying. So if anything isn't like focused on, if I'm not pointing the camera correctly, please excuse me. So we took the left path. And they do have ooh, guys. There's like spiders in there. So I gotta take it slow because it was raining. Yesterday, it was raining yesterday, so I was off yesterday from work, which was Friday, and I didn't get to come out. So I was like kind of, you know, because I'm used to coming out to do these YouTube videos. I have to figure out if there's a timer at the back of the screen, like a display timer, you know, like saves the battery or something. Because when I put my face close, right guys? When I put my face close, right? Then the screen turns on, like I'm going to use the, I think that's the electronic the viewfinder. You know, like an old school camera would have a, what do they call it? A optical image viewfinder. So guys, there's like lots of leaves here. There's lots of leaves. So I have to be careful because they're wet, you know. Cunningham Park, most people don't know this also. There's a mountain bike, I don't know what you call it, like mountain bike path or trail or something, I don't know. Yeah, so I had like a little adventure because I was trying to figure this thing out. You know, when now it's like almost 11, right? So I actually came out around 7:30 and I made this actual park around hey man, once we don't have any, yeah, once we don't have any hawks or bald eagles, we're good, right? We're good. If anything, we'll sacrifice the camera and then run away, you know? Yeah, so when I came out early, this lady, her cart broke. Her shopping cart, you know? Not the shopping cart in the store, like you see in the store, but her actual shopping cart that, you know, that's smaller. And one of the wheels broke. So she asked me in Spanish to help her. So then I started to help her. And then she pointed, because I don't speak Spanish, right? So then she pointed to like this little string she had to tie the wheel or something. So then I said, I pointed to her cart, let me hold the cart, because she was holding the cart, right? So let me hold the cart and then she can tie, you know? Because I figured she's used to tying stuff, right? So I'm not, I'm not used to tying stuff, right? So we communicated, you know, like pointing and things like that, you know? Because let's say, not for payback or anything, you just help someone, you know? You know, she needed help, although we had like a language barrier, but we figured out how to, you know, to somehow communicate. And we did it. Yeah. So with this camera, I switched to 1080p because it has hours long trying to get this display here so I can see. Oh my god. Yeah, put my face up to it. So I have to check to see. Great. So you see there's like snakes. Great, 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 great. Great and like 1,000 times great. Oh man. Oh man. So I do get signal in this wooded area. Just like Forest Park, right? If you've been following the channel. We do get signal in Forest Park also. Yeah, so I came to this park after I helped the lady. I bought my snack. You know, the snack of the day, which was coconut water. And guys, fig bars. So then I jumped in the car and came here, right? Real early, no traffic, you know. Parking lot, it wasn't full yet. You know, it's kind of full now. Because I left, I'm like, oh man, I can't figure out the camera in the field. Like, why the hell is that display winking in and out, you know? So now I just put my face to it. Yeah, so we would need, you know, my job has a, because I do Tableau, we have a Tableau expert. So either he knows his stuff, man. Over 90% of the time he answers on the spot. If you can't figure it out then, he'll get back to you within a day. So he's pretty cool, man. Yeah, so I went back in. My backpack came in from Amazon. Oh my god. It came in since Thursday, right? So I checked in the front of the house. I don't see a box, right? And I asked the tenant, because you know we've got a tenant in the place, and she said, no, I haven't seen anything. Then I was like, wait a second. So I was like, you know, okay. You know, sometimes you have to practice patience. So I'm like, because I can't figure it out. Like, why isn't this box here, right? And then I said, wait a second. I said this morning, right? Before I helped the lady with the cart. I said, wait a second. Let me check the back door for the house, right? So I checked the back door, and that's where Amazon left the package. And I have a thing, right? A thing that says, because I live on the upper level and the tenant lives on the lower level. So I access the house on the side entrance, and I have on my address side entrance, right? So I don't know if the Amazon delivery person got confused, thinking that side entrance is back. You know, you totally pass the side door to go to the back. You know. Let me see, guys. Let me see. So they do have like a marker, like Forest Park, right? And then every now and then they have these little board things. But I haven't heard any birds or spotted anything flying, you know. And then I was thinking, because I looked it up on the internet, why is the screen not displaying, right? So then one of the replies, because a guy had a similar issue, said change your memory card. It's probably defective. So I was like, wait a second. Okay, cool. No harm, no foul. I have a memory card in my Sony ZV-1, right? That's the camera I'm going to take mostly to Manhattan, and when I don't want to draw attention to myself, because it's really compact. And then when I want like to go into stores, this is the trick that most YouTubers use, right, guys? Is to let me put this to my face so I can. Yeah, most YouTubers, guys, they use the trick of filming with their cell phone when you're going into some place that doesn't allow cameras, right? But you gotta do it kind of stealth. You can't like hold it up in your hand like you're actually filming, right? You gotta do it kind of stealth, right? So so I'm thinking next year, right? The iPhone SE version 3, they probably call iPhone SE 2022. You know, it's not the regular iPhone mini, the controversial iPhone mini. So I'm thinking, okay, I'll get that next year, and then I have my camera gear set, low cost camera gear, right? Because obviously the SE, iPhone SE will be the same price, like $399. My carrier has the current one for $249 since last year. But I was like, wait, I have to wait. What happened with iPhone, right? Their drivers are pretty good. And they only have to worry about a very few handsets. With Android, right? To make it work with Android, there's like hundreds of cell phones. New and old. Because you have to make it... you know, so I think there's up to they're up to Android 11, right? So you have to make Android 11 work with like the old, unless they pass their life cycle, with the old cell phones and the new cell phones, which is probably thousands now, you know, thousands of different models. And you know, iPhone It's probably about 100, right? So I was thinking, you know, I'll get that because remember, price. Let's say you lose your phone or it's stolen, or it just doesn't work anymore after the warranty. If you didn't buy the extended warranty, then you know that you made the right decision by going lower price. So guys, let me put this up to my face. Okay, good. Okay, great. I'm saying great because there's no more snakes, I think, you know. This is like the orange. Yeah, if you've been following the channel, guys, we're more familiar with Forest Park, unless you get lost by the Stand By Me tracks. You guys, if you're interested, check out the yellow trail video. Oh, welcome, by the way. I probably forgot to say it, you know. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and hit that post notification bell. Yeah, hopefully this 1080p doesn't cut out. I think this is the only park we'll do. Usually we do like, the maximum we did one day was like four different parks. But I'll just do this park with this trail, the nature preserve. You know, and then if we have to walk back, that's when I'll take the stills. On my Instagram account, I'll leave it, the correct spelling in the description box, guys. IOWADA11X, and I'll leave the correct spelling. That's a holdover from my anime days, so I can draw anime, you know. Once I have a reference, you know, most people that draw, right, they need a reference, right? So, you know, it'll be very rare that someone that draws doesn't use a reference. And if they've been drawing like 1,000 years, you know, they can do things off the top of their heads, you know, kind of thing. So yeah, there's this new Netflix show called Arcane. It's kind of cool, man. I like the graphics. And they do some really cool shading on that cartoony kind of show. I don't know if it's anime or something. I don't know what you call it. You know, back in my day, you know, Dragon Ball Z. You know, Kamehameha. Right? So yeah. You know, once in a while I'll still draw that. Drawing that style, you know. So guys, a tree fell down here, you know. Because I'm thinking the trail will continue here, but they do have a path this way to the right. You know, Forest Park, right, has like a lot of rocks and tree roots, so you have to semi look down sometimes when you're walking. Like I had to look down just now, right? So it's very similar to that kind of thing happening here. Oh man, this is so cool, guys. Cause look, let me put my face so that thing can. Yeah. So I think. Let's see if my hunch is right. Let's see, guys. Let us see. Okay, we've come to some steps. I have to take it slow. You know, you go at your own pace that you want to go. Right, guys? Don't, you know, go even slower than what I'm going, if that's your comfort level. I don't know who made that noise in the secluded woods. That I'm the only person here. They went, No, actually, I was thinking I was going to trip. I was like, oh my god, like that. Yeah, man. So how's everybody doing on a Saturday today? I think rain is coming also today, but later. Not now. And I still have to pick up food, so. And then when I'm in the house, I'll have to troubleshoot. There's this British guy, right, on YouTube called, I think it's Hugh Lawton or Graham Lawton or something. That's an expert on Lumix FZ models. You know, because he has all of them. He has the FZ80, FZ300, FZ1002, and I think that's it. The FZ1000 Mark II. And I think that's it. Don't quote me on that though. There's another one, FC2500, right? If you guys are in Europe or a different country, I'm in the USA. That's you know, they call, excuse me, they call them a different name. I think the FC80 is like FC82, and the FC300 is the FC330. But I'm not sure with the FZ1000 Mark II, if they call that a different name. Where is this, guys? Oh, I know where this is. I know exactly where this is. Put my face to the camera. Yep, the recorder thing is still going, and the mic, still picking up on the mic. So yeah. Here would be a good candidate for, because we see graffiti on the channel already, right? For a good, you come late, guys. Right? Don't take this advice though, don't take this advice. You come late, right? Really late. When no one's around, and then you do the graffiti, okay? Look, someone did some, oh my god. Someone did some already, and they repainted over the graffiti. Yeah, so don't take that advice, right? We're not condoning graffiti, right? So, you know, graffiti destroys the, it's kind of muddy here, destroys, you know, the building, and then the person has to spend their time and money, you know, to repaint it, and then it doesn't look as good, you know. It looks kind of splashy. I have my high-vis vest on, high-vis, like a construction worker. So that way I can be seen in case anyone else is out here. You know, I want to be seen. I do not want to not be seen, you know. So that way the other person, you know, doesn't get, you know, doesn't get nervous or whatever, you know. So yeah, guys. And I do have my new backpack on my back. Because remember, I'm kind of new to cameras. Except the Sony ZV-1, which we did about over 55 videos on YouTube. Right? So I'm trying to get used to the Lumix FZ300. You know, it's bigger and heavier. The mic is not a built-in mic. It's a mic in the hot shoe of the camera. Yeah. I think the cheapest lavalier or lava, I don't know what's the correct wording. The cheapest one on sale is like $200. So down the road, that would maybe my job will give me another bonus. It'd be like, yeah. So guys, we came to like a sort of like a dead end-ish kind of thing here. Put my face to the, okay. It's totally dead over there. It's semi-dead over this way. So, what was that movie? Remember they did like this little village? Oh, it's called The Village. Yeah, this movie called the Village, right, guys? So these people went in the woods and they created their own society based on this book or something. Someone wrote a book, you know, and then they're like, yeah, guys, I think we're gonna have to turn back because I don't see any, anything happening here. Yeah, so the village, someone from the group wrote a book, and then a group of people said, okay, we'll join you. I'm not sure if it was like a cult or something. And then they joined the guy that wrote the book in the village. And then they had their kids, and I guess some of them had their grandkids or something. Also, so there's like 3 generations. So it was so it was the original people that said, you know, let's go to the village. And then they had the second generation, which was their kids. And then I think the older kids had you know, kids of their own. So it was like 3 generations of people in the village. So you know, that was a pretty cool movie. So the sun just winked back on, guys. Yeah. Sun just winked back on, so my high-vis vest should be shining. Anybody's looking should be blinded now, you know? So I don't know. But yeah. This is the white trail. These trails aren't clearly marked like Forest Park. In Casino Park Trail, right? There are trails you can, you know, if you walk the full length, you will just pop out somewhere into society back again. Right? So that's cool about Casino Park because they don't have markings. They have no directional markings anywhere in Casino Park. Forest Park is the only park that I know of that has, every now and then, trees will be spray painted with the color of the trail, and then they'll have those round things that you saw. The different colors like yellow, orange, and blue are the three main trails for Forest Park, right guys? So yeah, man. Let me check the time here, guys. Ooh, good. So 1080 60p, right? Because when I do 4K 30, they ooh, this is the muddy spot. Give me a sec. Yeah, when I do 4K 30, there's a 30 minute time limit. So and then they only save the recording in 4 gig increments to the memory card, and then you have to use a video editor. Because you know, I like I'm recording, but I like live view, right? So the last video I did, I had to splice the videos together in Windows 10 video editor. So it was pretty good, you know? Yeah. So guys, we saw 3 people. Saw 3 people, which was cool, right? I don't think they know it's a dead end back there. So we'll see how it goes, you know? what is this, guys? Is this a staircase? One, two, three, four. Buckle my shoe. Oh man, oh man. White trail. We're actually by the road. This is a road from the second parking lot for Cunningham Park. And then you come out to, I think that's Francis Lewis Boulevard. What is this? What is this, guys? Yeah, this I think I can jump. Okay, I passed it. It's blacktop here. See if I can. It's blacktop here. Sun's winking in and out, guys. See, that's our first at this park to see graffiti. But the guy wrote it so neat, man. He didn't stylize it. Come on. So guys, I'm getting hungry. And remember, I left my snacks at home when I went back. Oh my god. And it's not in the backpack. Is it in the backpack? No, it's not. It's not. It's not. I will have to investigate in a bit. In a bit, not now. Okay, we're coming to some stairs. Oh, no. It was like the path was a little broken up. So I thought it was like the stairs coming. This is blacktop, but it's like leaves are covering it. I mean, and it's kind of like broken, so you can't see what's like, and it's really deep if you step in it. Oh my god, I made it! We made it back out alive, guys. No snakes bit us that we know of. We saw 3 random people. See, and this was the split to go left or to go right. And we did a circle, right guys? So thank you so much for joining me. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and hit that post notification bell. Alright guys, thank you so much. Take it easy.